Have a fun time holding my trunk up. I'll see you tomorrow.
Grant's finally revealed his new quote-unquote supercar.
I have. If you guys missed it, I bought a Mercedes SL550 and I'm absolutely in love. Sorry, Christina.
Yeah. So anyways, I am potentially, well, first of all, I hope you guys are doing good, but I'm probably going to be selling my Z tomorrow. I'm hoping the sale goes through because I got like 2 other cars I got to buy. But I don't want to be dealing with all the conversations and this and that.
Are you going to buy a third 350Z? Please tell me you're changing it up.
It's another car.
You're
I think it's a quote-unquote supercar as well.
Oh. While she's dealing with that, I'm going to be working on the Mercedes. We are putting a new bumper on today. And right now we're about to take both cars up to Performance Lab Detroit. And we're going to just kind of get some stuff done.
For sure, so let's go.
Well, does your supercar have drilled brake rotors?
My supercar is actually a supercar. So.
Oh, this isn't actually. Well, some people consider this a supercar.
It will look like it after you're done.
It definitely will. And it looks good right now. It looks like a sports car right now.
For sure.
But this car in 2007 was $105,000, which is $150,000 in today's money.
That's insane.
I know, crazy. And I got it for how much?
$8,000.
Obviously, it has a lot of miles, but it's a clean title. It's perfect condition, and it's a hardtop convertible, and it doesn't even look like a convertible. Guys, I am in love with this car. Obviously, a lot of wood trim that we're gonna take care of. We're gonna get it right. Don't worry, don't worry. But this thing is so complex. It even has adjustable suspension right here. If I push this button, the car lifts almost 3 inches on all 4 wheels. Not just the front, all 4. Oh my gosh, it's ChristinaRoki. I would tell her to floor it so that you guys could hear it, but honestly, it doesn't sound like much. She kind of has this theme going on all of her 350Zs where none of them sound good. I'm like, come on, put a Tome or NVIDIA, put some sort of exhaust on it, but she never really does, so it's okay though. Also, peep the sunroof. A glass hardtop convertible. Another reason I am absolutely in love with this car. See, it's not there. Oh yeah, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. This is a beautiful Z06 right next to Matt's Dodge Demon, which has twin turbos on it. We're gonna pull in right here and work on the car. She is pulled into the shade, and I will show you guys the current back bumper we have on the car. We do have the 2000 and hold on, it's coming to me. 2007 to 2008 SL550 with the AMG Sport package. So that basically is gonna have this little line right here that matches the color of the vehicle. Granted, this is the best bumper you can get for this year, but the 2009s to 2012s, I wanna say, have a different style back bumper that actually fit on this car because ultimately it's the same chassis, same platform, just different bumpers. So I bought a 2009 bumper. This one does have these sensors here. I believe these are parking sensors. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know too much about these. And then they also have this kind of blacked out platform. I think you can get a diffuser to go over this. But the bumper I got kind of goes here and then it goes up and then back down. Granted, I got new exhaust tips as well, but that's for another video. Those might look a little bit funky with the new bumper we're about to put on, but nonetheless, it's all about the finished result. Here is the original front bumper on the 350Z Christina currently has. But if we come back here, this is the new back bumper. The exhaust tip area is a lot larger, which counts for quad tips. And then also you guys can see what I was talking about. It comes over, but it also goes up, whereas the other one went straight across. Oddly enough, it is the same color as my car. I'm pretty sure it's the same color, same white. But this piece right here is what I was talking about. This is the equivalent basically to my bumper, but for a 2009 year model. I am gonna actually remove this entire piece. It's just some clips. And I'm gonna put a carbon fiber diffuser right there instead, and it's gonna look absolutely amazing. By doing so, this bumper is ultimately gonna be a SL63 bumper, and it's gonna look really, really good, especially after we get those quad tips installed. The man himself smashing on those fries.
What up?
Ed's got a flat tire.
Oh dang.
It's no twin turbo Demon, but it's still pretty cool.
Yeah. I mean, is a twin turbo Demon even that cool? The car's pretty cool, but the owner, I mean.
Oh yeah, don't even get me started on
Oh dang, look at this thing.
Oh yeah. So she needs a spoiler, new diffuser stuff. You know what I'm saying, but the previous owner pissed somebody off.
What motor? 5 liter?
5.5 liter V8. Yep. The SL500 had the 5 liter. This is the 550, so it has the 5.5. A lot of wood trim on the inside.
You'll make that all
And
go away, I'm sure.
glass top, hard top convertible,
Steering wheel cover.
steering wheel.
Okay, so the only issue that I see under here
So far, right away.
is where are we gonna fit the turbos?
I know. The SL55s have a supercharger sitting on top.
It's stuffed in there like shower time at the county jail.
You know from experience, don't you? I'm gonna take this bottom piece off and I'm gonna put a carbon fiber diffuser there.
What is that? Oh, it's a dent.
It's a dent. It's a dent. We got a dent. But yeah, so that's today's project. Hopefully it all goes smooth, but probably won't. Is the Demon running?
Yeah.
Do you wanna start her up for us? The racing harnesses, oh my god. The exhaust is coming out right here. Is it a mid-exit exhaust? Oh my god. Holy shit. You scared the out of me. So that you guys can see the bumpers side by side. This is the new bumper, and you guys can kind of see the difference in styling between the two. This one does not have the, like, whatever these are, like sensors. And it also kind of lifts up here. Pretty similar right now. They don't really look that different, but once I take this piece off and put a diffuser there, that's really when you're gonna see the difference. I mean, you could do the same thing with this bumper, in fact. You can even take off this bottom section here and put a diffuser, but I like the look of this diffuser more, the SL63 style, just because it kind of comes up and it looks more aggressive. So that's kind of why we're doing this. But anyways, let's get this thing taken off. Since this should fit on the car, I'm kind of looking at this as a reference point. It looks like we have sliding clips right here, but we're gonna have some figuring out to do, but that's okay. It is a Mercedes, probably won't be easy, but we're gonna get under there and take a look and see how we can do it. Okay, dilemma. Told you it was gonna happen.
Grant underestimated the over-engineering Mercedes does.
I did. I got all of these off. I've been using this as a reference if you guys hadn't known. Obviously I have it, so why not? I got this one off, got one off here. There's another one here that I had to get off. Those are all easy to access, but these two are like they're literally right here and here. How the hell do you access that? But I really don't know how to get that off, so I'll let you know when I figure it out.
Stop. Yay!
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Have a fun time holding my trunk up. I'll see you tomorrow. So we put the top into service mode, as you can see, and we basically gutted the entire trunk. And this was the hardest screw in my life to get to. It was like underneath this navigation CD player rather. We were able to get it by moving it up a little bit. We had to loosen 4 bolts on this. But anyways, you guys, this is the last bolt. We should be able to slide the bumper off, hopefully, after this and put the new one on. Guys, that was such a headache getting this off. We finally got the back bumper off of the car, and honestly, we are so exhausted. I mean, I've washed my hands like 7 times and they're still not even bad at this point, but oh my God. What, it took us like 4 hours? Ridiculous. Anyways, you guys, I'm just gonna I'm like low battery, I'm drained. We're just gonna quickly put this new bumper back on, and I'm gonna show you guys the before and after. Oh my gosh.
We're done.
We are done, you guys. We finally finished. This is what it looks like now. I know it does not look as good as it did before. Trust me, I know that bumper actually looks better white for white. But once we get the diffuser put on, I promise you it's gonna look so much better than that one looks. Also, it does not have the ugly, whatever those things were. I think they were sensors, and also it's a little bit more defined right here, which I really like. Guys, it's been such a long night. Oh my, it's literally dark outside right now.
Mercedes, man, that's all I gotta say.
You guys can see how dusty I am. My hair, everything's a mess right now. Yeah, what she said, honestly, that's
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe, definitely. Wow, we are very tired, but thank you guys for watching. A lot of Mercedes content coming your way. She's about to buy a supercar, and yeah.
If I find one in time, man. I need one before June 2nd.
Yeah, man.
Anyways,
We will
see
catch
ya. See ya never. Bye.